डियर स्टूडेंट्स, बहुत दिनों से सोच रहा था इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री का कोई पार्ट आपको आपके सामने आ जाए, कोई एक 5 से 10 मिनट का वीडियो, उसमें इंफॉर्मेशन भी होना चाहिए, इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट भी होना चाहिए और कंटिन्यूटी भी होनी चाहिए. आफ्टर सम टाइप ऑफ फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री वीडियोज़, organic chemistry videos in this somewhat vacation period, inorganic part, that is 11th science, the name of the chapter is hydrogen. You know that hydrogen having atomic number 1 and 1, it means number of protons 1, there is no neutrons are there, means so many types of isotope. My first point is isotopes of hydrogen. This isotope of hydrogen which cannot consist of, means can't consist of neutrons, it is also known as protium. Protium cannot consist of neutron. इसमें न्यूट्रॉन नहीं होता, cannot consist of neutron. Which of the following isotope of hydrogen can't consist of neutron? That is protium. It means here at the bottom side it is Z and here neutron plus proton. Means Z means number of protons. If Z is equal to 1, then neutron plus proton is equal to 1. It means neutron, there is no neutron at all. So generally hydrogen, which is known as proton particle is hydrogen. H plus ion, which is to be formed by loss of one electron, H plus ion which is to be formed by loss of one electron, hydrogen minus electron which use H plus means only proton, means there is a proton and electron, one proton and one electron is there. So due to this reason hydrogen is neutral. It is my first point. Protium can't consist of neutrons. It is one of the isotope. Next part for hydrogen, information about hydrogen part. Today's period is only for hydrogen, the chapter for 11th science. It means which of the following isotope, or give me one of the isotope which consists of equal number of protons and neutrons. Protons equal to neutrons. It is deuterium, D12. Deuterium is one of the isotope of hydrogen which consists of similar number of protons and similar number of neutrons. It means proton is equal to 1 and neutron is equal to 1. This 2 is P plus N. P plus N is atomic mass number, that is 2. It means my another question which is to be that how deuterium consists of equal number of protons and neutrons. Means the first isotope protium H11 is the first isotope. Deuterium 12 is the second isotope of hydrogen, and third isotope is tritium 13. This tritium is radioactive. आपको ये भी पूछा जाएगा कि one of the isotope of hydrogen is radioactive. Naturally radioactive means alpha, beta, gamma rays are releasing from the nucleus. This type of tritium consists of radioactive, means protium can't contain neutrons, deuterium consists of equal number of protons and neutrons, and radioactive hydrogen isotope is tritium. Yes, this is the first point. We will continue this part again. We are now going to another part of this hydrogen. The chapter hydrogen, the position of hydrogen is in the first period or the last period, how position changes, what is the relation. It means hydrogen, which is generally nowadays it is not this type of use is there. but generally hydrogen present in a balloon, and balloon goes at the upper side of the sky. Hydrogen balloons are there, but hydrogen balloons nowadays they are not in use, because nowadays this hydrogen and it is a combustible gas. This hydrogen reacts with oxygen and bursting phenomenon takes place, and dihydrogen, which is known as dihydrogen, it is a dihydrogen is a highly combustible nowadays it is not in used. This can catch fire also. Balloon can catch fire also. Hydrogen burns easily. So nowadays these hydrogen gases are not used in balloon. This is our next point. Another part, hydrogen in H2O, in NH3, hydrogen in H2O, hydrogen in NH3, hydrogen in HCl. Hydrogen consists of in H plus and O minus, means oxidation number of hydrogen is +1. हाइड्रोजन का क्या है, कभी ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर +1 होता है, किसी में +1 होता है, किसी में -1 होता है, कहीं पर 0 भी होता है. हाइड्रोजन एक कमाल की बात है. केमिस्ट्री में हाइड्रोजन की बात बहुत कमाल की बात है. किस में मिला है उसी की तरह वो हो जाएगा. साथ ही कैसा है उसके ऊपर वो डिपेंड है. H2O में +1 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट है, +1 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट. NH3 में भी +1 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट. HCl में भी H plus Cl minus +1 oxidation state. Here H plus is there, +1 oxidation state. Means +1 oxidation states are present in NH3, in H2O and HCl. And सर फिर आपको -1 oxidation state का कहाँ है? -1 oxidation state is also there. The -1 oxidation state is also there. -1 oxidation state means what? -1 oxidation state means calcium is a metal containing 2 positive charge, and H consist of minus. Calcium hydride is the formula. In this calcium hydride, hydrogen consists of -1 oxidation state, क्योंकि जल्दी से जल्दी देने वाला इलेक्ट्रॉन वो एक्सेप्ट करेगा. कहीं पर इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं ले सकता, कहीं पर ले सकता है, यहाँ पर ले सकता है. तो -1 oxidation state. -1 oxidation state means here reduction of hydrogen easily takes place. Calcium hydride, sodium hydride, so many types of hydrides of metals consist of -1 oxidation state. Hydrides of metals, hydrides of non-metals, HCl, hydrides of non-metal consist of plus oxidation state. Means oxidation state related with giving phenomenon of electron, and means the loss of electron process is oxidation. When loss of electron process takes place, +1 oxidation state is formed. When gain of electron takes place, -1 oxidation state is formed. Means the phenomenon is oxidation. Phenomenon अगर oxidation है तो वो खुद का ऑक्सीडेशन होता है और दूसरों का रिडक्शन करता है. जो दूसरों का रिडक्शन करता है वो रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट होता है. जो रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट होता है उसका ऑक्सीडेशन होता है. जो ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट होता है उसका रिडक्शन होता है. एजेंट लोग दूसरों का काम करते हैं. ये यहाँ पर ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ H plus takes place and reduction of Cl takes place. Oxidation of hydrogen, reduction of Cl, H plus and Cl minus. It is reducing agent, कि उसका ऑक्सीडेशन होता है ना, तो इसका रिडक्शन होता है. इसके रिडक्शन को कौन जवाबदार? ये जवाबदार है. इसके ऑक्सीडेशन को कौन जवाबदार? ये है. अपोजिट प्रोसेस ऑक्सीडेशन है तो वो रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट बोलो उसको. प्रोसेस रिडक्शन है तो ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट बोलो. एंड सर आपने तो बोला था ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट 0 भी हो सकता है. यस, 0 भी हो सकता है. इन दिस डाइहाइड्रोजन H2, ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ डाइहाइड्रोजन is taken as 0 oxidation state. This is our first point. Then with respect to this isotope of hydrogen, हाइड्रोजन के आइसोटोप के साथ heavy water बनेगा आपको. heavy water which is to be formed. Heavy water is D2O, deuterium water. deuterium water is heavy water. This D2O is heavy water. Heavy water, it means that this heavy water which is to be prepared with respect to how this heavy water get prepared. Heavy water is obtained this continuous electrolysis of ordinary water. Continuous electrolysis. Continuous electrolysis of ordinary water. Ordinary water means ordinary water के electrolysis करना है तो उसमें एक electrolyte चाहिए, that is 3% NaOH. In the presence of 3% NaOH, continuous electrolysis के बाद ये बनेगा D2O. What is the use of D2O? D2O is used as a moderator in this nuclear reactor. In this nuclear reactor, it is used as a moderator. Heavy water used as a moderator which slows down the neutron obtaining process, neutron producing process, and controls the fission of neutron. Fission of neutron को control करने के लिए ये D2O न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर में होता है. जहाँ पर एटॉमिक एनर्जी फॉर्मेशन है वहाँ पर आपको बोलोगे आप ये होता है. It is some type of interesting points related with hydrogen. Again, I will give you another interesting parts with respect to the chapter hydrogen, inorganic part. Arun Bhange, Parbani. Thank you.